With over 2,600 items, the selection is large, and sometimes it can be a challenge to find the right item for your application. That's exactly why we developed our dynamic search function. This makes the search process as easy as possible for you. You also get the most important information about the devices in advance for a quick and clear overview. And if you need more details, just click on Details to see more of the device you are interested in. By the way, did you know? Each product has a unique link that you can use to access it directly at any time. Convenient, isn't it? Our detailed product pages contain everything you need to know, from detailed descriptions to helpful tools such as our time calculator and downloads of operating manuals. Take a look at our optional accessories to make your work processes even more convenient. And because we always want to meet the highest standards, there is more. In the next video, we will show you valuable tips and tricks for using our catalog even more efficiently. Stay tuned and see for yourself.